A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am here at Radcam Technologies booth at hall number 4. We have with us Mr. Siddhu Jolad, Managing Director, Radcam Technologies. It's good to meet you, Siddhu Saab. So today is day 3. First 2 days has passed and I have seen you busy. So if you can let us know your feedback for first 2 days and what you are expecting.
First 2 days have been good. I have a strong feeling it could have been better because the kind of crowd that we have seen in previous few IMTEX, maybe I have seen like 10%, 20% better than this. That's what my feeling is. So that way I'm saying it could have been better. But having said that, it was a quality crowd. We have done some good connections. We're expecting some good closures. So that's good side.
So what is the biggest room of the world? That is room for improvement. It's for everybody. So what sort of what do you call it? Which industry people are you meeting? And when you are discussing with the clients, what is their their requirements and what sort of enthusiasm? I won't say what sort of kitty they are bringing to the table, but what sort of enthusiasm and what sort of discussion, what sort of industry you are talking to?
The industry that we are in discussion with to finalize machines, let's say, roofing,
Okay.
cars, and also the general engineering sector. General engineering, yes, very much. And that would be our biggest order till date.
This we spoke during our last conversation that this will happen. I won't talk about the draw. We will talk quickly because this is I also honest.
His eyes are on the iPhone.
My eyes are on iPhone, and as an honest media guy, it's my job to make sure everything is done in a proper way. And we are.
I will see to it that your card is out of the jar.
Okay. So we have Schroeder machines.
Yes.
And the best thing I will tell you is the way it has been displayed. That section look itself very different. Like in Europe, there is Germany, France, Italy. So it looks German.
We have an Italian. What do they call it? Pavilion.
Pavilion, then German pavilion.
Yes.
And then in between you can see Radcam sitting as an Indian pavilion. So how's the response you are seeing for soda machine?
Very good. Very good. Because honestly, it would be unfair to expect closures on that machine because they are just like eyes go wide. That kind of a feeling people are getting by looking at what it can do and how it can do.
Okay.
Having said that, yes, there are 2 to 3 companies who are seriously looking at that product as well. So already we are positive about this.
So in 2020 we say they need match winners. You have two match winners. You have got a big beast of Euromac is one side. Schroeder is another side. Lastly, I know it's a busy day for you, and I won't take your time. Your message to the visitors: what can they expect at your booth?
An iPhone?
iPhone, ladies and gentlemen, you can tea, coffee, and
they cannot take machines home. We have to ship it to their place. So that's
do visit, come up with your challenges, discuss with the technical heads. We have got people from Germany, we have got people from Italy. Mr. Siddhu is also here. Do visit Radcam Technologies booth at hall number 4. Your last message? Anything you want to say?
please come now.
Please come now.
Let's just talk.
Let's just talk. Thank you. Thank you, Siddhu Saab.
Thank you.
Have a good day.